Hey, it's Ken again, continuing location scouting for my next film, Healing. I've tried a different tack again by contacting business office rental companies in New Jersey. I'm at the location, about 20 minutes from where I am, of the first location they sent me to. Right behind me, an office building where they had an available conference room that I'm going to look at. It looks from the photos to be fairly large. I had a roundabout way getting here. There were all these detours. GPS was sending me all around in U-turns, and I finally got here and realized I've actually been inside this building before a few years ago. I had a meeting here, and so as soon as I pulled in the parking lot, I said, oh, this is the place. It's very familiar. So we're going to take a look at this conference room, and then I have an appointment later on down by the shore for another potential conference room that I'm looking to, again, duplicate a government meeting room, an official meeting room, and a place that's kind of plain and can replicate the 1980s, so it doesn't have too many modern touches. So we'll see what's in here and continue on. Out. All right, so this is Suite 200 in Piscataway. There's a possibility we can move the flat screen and put the sign, the DOE, over that bracket. But other than that, it's not too modern. We probably wouldn't shoot this angle to get that wall. Well, I don't know if we can shoot this way. We might be able to get a wide shot this way. And then this way, if we can get it without, well, even if we close those blinds, that might work. So this is a possibility. All right, so we looked at that space. They had two conference rooms, the medium and then the large one, which I filmed. The medium one was just too small to get equipment around, maneuver. The large one, as you saw, was a possibility. It's just the flat screen TV is going to be an issue. They are checking with building maintenance to see if that can be temporarily removed and put back up, and they're going to get back to me about that. But now we're going to travel on to Neptune, New Jersey. Okay, this is what my travels have been like all day. Detours and road construction. But so far I'm still ahead of schedule. Okay, we've traveled about an hour south down to Monmouth County in Neptune, Jack Nicholson's hometown. A little further than I wanted to come, but actually about the same distance as if I'd traveled to Newark, Hoboken, Jersey City, and certainly Manhattan. And of course, there's a lot less noise here. So we're going to go in and check out this conference room. I also forgot I need a hallway outside the room, so I want to check out their hallways as well and see if something will work in this building. Okay, I'm inside. It's a vast space. There's no reception or anyone to greet me. So I'm just wandering around trying to find someone to take me to where I'm supposed to be. Okay, I called the place where I set up the reservation, saying there's no reception, no one to greet me, I don't know where to go. They sent me to the suite where I had to be. I found that, and there's a note on the reception desk in that office that they are away for lunch for another half hour. I am early, so I'm in the waiting room now, waiting for someone to find me and take me to show me this room. Okay, this is the little conference room for 8 people. Blank wall works well. Okay, here's what it looks like with 2 chairs at the end of a table. Okay, there's the hallway. Another hallway. Okay, so this place is definitely a possibility. Nice thing about the area, like I said, besides a lack of noise in a big city, is it's right near where all the studios are building new sound stages. So people in the industry are going to have to get used to traveling here. So, like I said, the commute might not be that bad. I'm going to go grab some lunch now. I was hoping to get to see another location in Hoboken today. I don't know if I can make that happen, if there'll be enough time, because I had to wait here so long. Since I was ahead of schedule, I thought I could squeeze in a third location, but this might have to be it for the day. I'm going to call the agency and see if that's going to be a possibility. But we do have a candidate, at least. So we'll see what happens, as always. Well, I tore up north and actually made it up from Neptune up to Hoboken just in time to see, I guess this is my final option. From the pictures, it looked really nice. A really nice kind of boardroom, conference room area. So I actually made it on time and a little early for my appointment. So we're going to go check this out now. Okay, this is the conference room in Hoboken. I love the table and the chairs, and the spacing of the room are perfect, but surprise, this wasn't in the photos or when I called ahead. I said, before I made the hour-and-a-half long trip up here from down the shore near Red Bank, they said there was no flat screen TV, and clearly there is. But the look of the table and the chairs are great. The lighting fixtures, I guess we can crop out because they're too modern, but like this view here, the tables and the chair, there's enough space around for equipment. Everything else, kind of perfect. That's kind of modern though with the exit. Might have to cover that. And I don't know about the speaker and the TV. If I put a sign there for the agency, that might do it. I don't know about that speaker bar too. That's I don't know about taking that off. If it only wasn't for this, we would have had a space here. They have parking here, even though it's in a busy area. So, I don't know. Well, you saw and heard what happened. That's an 85-inch flat screen in there. It's going to be really hard to cover up. They can't take it down. It's bolted to the wall. The hallways there were ultra modern, so they aren't going to work either. It's a shame. Everything except that flat screen worked in that room, other than when I tried to get their lowest rate for renting that space for less than a day just to shoot one scene. It's $1,500 minimum. So, unfortunately, I think that takes this out of the running. It's Hoboken, a convenient place to get people from New York and North Jersey, but unfortunately, I think I'm out of luck with this place. So maybe one of the other two options I saw today will work. I'm waiting to hear back from the Piscataway office to see if they can take down that flat screen. If that's the case, I've got two viable options, and we'll just have to make a choice. So then I can check off at least the conference room, and I think, like I said, that Newark space is going to be an office. I might be able to make the homework with the piano, so getting there, inching closer and closer. So fingers crossed, and on we go. And another negative about this place, I forgot to mention, there's plenty of parking outside, which is a rarity in Hoboken, but you do have to pay for it. And so the money just would keep flowing at this place, unfortunately.